Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your ping for different regions in Dota. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on Play Dota. Now on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see your region option. Click on it once. It will be set to automatic by default, but you can choose to pick it yourself. For example, in India I have 42 ping, in Dubai I have 68, SCA 89, and so on. So the best regions for me would be India, Dubai, and SCA. You can pick 3 at a time, so please choose wisely as ping will affect your game. The less ping, the better. Click on OK. Now select any match mode and find match. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Steve. Happy gaming!